Hello, my name is Jodi Roth-Saks, and I'm the Director of the Office of Service Learning and Volunteer Programs here at Westchester University. Westchester University is very proud of the hard work and dedication that the faculty, staff, and students have had when it comes to service learning in our community. Service learning is really comprised of four different things. It's academic learning, it's civic learning, it's direct service in the community, and it's reflection. So that reflection piece ties everything together and helps the students connect theory to practice with their educational learning and their experiential learning and the civic learning all combined. The Communication Studies Department has done a great job this year with creating new service learning courses and really creating things that are really going to work, that are really high impact practices when it comes to service learning.
Hi, my name is Bessie Lawton. I'm an associate professor at the Department of Communication Studies. I use service learning in two of my classes. The first class is in my senior capstone in interpersonal and intercultural communication. Since it's a diversity-oriented course, we talk about different issues of diversity such as gender, age, race, sexual orientation, obesity, and so forth. And so what I do for my students in this class is I have them work with between 6 to 8 organizations every semester. I assign them to provide service to these organizations. And at the end of the semester, we have a day of service event where the students bring in food, balloons, posters. They have to make a poster presentation. They create awards. We invite judges from the College of Arts and Science Dean's Office and also from the Office of Service Learning on campus. And we commemorate the idea that these students have been able to provide service, and at the same time they were able to experience communities that they normally do not deal with. And I think based on the comments that students have given me in the past, the seniors especially appreciate that this course has given them the opportunity to go out of their comfort zone and to go and experience populations that they normally do not get to experience.
Hi, my name is Dr. Meghan Mahoney, and I teach strategic social media here at Westchester University. This is an upper-level communication class where students are really for the first time thinking about social media use for professional organizations rather than just personal use. I started teaming up with a service learning center at Westchester about 2 years ago, and I noticed a huge shift in the class. For the first time, students were able to apply this knowledge in a professional setting rather than just critiquing how other organizations were using social media. It also went beyond just answering multiple choice questions on an exam. As a result of this project, not only have I found that my students have gained by getting projects for their own professional portfolios once they leave, but I found that Westchester Borough organizations are more than willing to have students take over their social media, create projects for them, give them advice about what to use. It's really been a win-win for everyone, and I'm so thankful for the opportunity to work with a service learning center.
We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem.
Hi, I'm Professor Mark Hickman in the Department of Communication Studies, and I teach public speaking with a service learning component. What my students do is they spend 10 hours over the course of the semester working with an organization in the community that is dedicated to social change or to a particular social issue. Then they use that as a foundation for their informative speeches on that organization. Then for their next speech, which is persuasive, they can give that speech on that particular issue that the organization has been working on. And that way they can really focus their speeches on following their passion. It worked out really well for the course because students get to talk about issues they really care about in a coordinated way. So it has been a great experience.
Hi, I'm Anne Walsh of the Department of Communication Studies, and it was my pleasure to pull a service learning component into the SPK 230 Business and Professional Speech course, where students are required to give a persuasive speech as a group. So what I had them do was persuade the audience as a group to get involved in a social issue that we currently have going on in our society. So students did research, they engaged in critical thinking, civic engagement, and they volunteered. They actually helped the military, elderly in our society, the homeless, they fed the hungry. They did so much to help our society just this semester. It was truly a win-win situation for our students and for our community, and it made me really proud to teach here at West Chester University.